Did you know that the Glock 18 fires 1,200 bullets in 1 minute? I bet there are many other things you don't know about Glock pistols. The Glock 19 and 17 are by far the most popular Glock pistols on the market, and because almost everyone seems to be talking about Glocks, many people think that they know so much about the brand. If you do, well, that's good for you. And if you don't know even the slightest detail about Glocks, maybe you should come out from living under the rock. Anyways, this video is about the 5 Glock models you need to own in 2024 if you want to be seen as a real marksman. We have some unpopular Glock models on our list that offer Glock standard specs and performance on the list, so watch until the end if you wish to increase your knowledge about Glocks and build a collection of reliable, versatile handguns. Somewhere along this review, I'll share a fun fact about Glocks that you didn't know. Stay tuned and let's explore some outstanding Glock models. When Glock made this pistol, it sure had the big picture in mind. Most people love the Glock 19, but its size can make it a little cumbersome for some people to carry it concealed. The reputable manufacturer realized this, so they made the Glock 48, which is more like the Glock 19, but with a slimmer frame. That way, the pistol is more concealable. The Glock 48 is as reliable as the oh-so-lovely Glock 17 and Glock 19 and packs tremendous power and accuracy. Glock pistols aren't known to cost a fortune, so if you're more concerned about the size of your pocket, you can relax because the Glock 48 only costs $580. You can even get it at a lower price in some places. This quality pistol is chambered in the famous 9mm caliber and features a grip that makes it suitable for various hand sizes. Due to its slim profile, the Glock 48 is a single-stack magazine pistol that holds only 10 rounds. However, it's highly efficient and deserves a spot in your collection. It's lightweight, which further enhances its CCW potential. When you first purchase the Glock 48, you may find the trigger a bit heavy to pull, but the more you pull the trigger, the softer it gets. It's an ideal choice for everyday carry. Hardly can one run out of things to say about the Glock 19 Gen 5. The pistol is synonymous with stability, reliability, and accuracy. It's one of the most versatile pistols on the market, and for good reasons. The Glock 19 Gen 5 will not lose its fan base for a very long time. It remains a top choice among compact pistols. Its enhanced performance makes it almost impossible to walk past without acknowledging how simple yet powerful this pistol is. Whether you're in the military or you're a citizen looking to prioritize self-defense, the Glock 19 Gen 5 will come in handy in the most unlikely situations. It's a sweet blend of all the right proportions, and its ability to hold 15 plus 1 rounds is an additional backup under high-stress conditions. The 9mm cartridge favors most Glock models, and as such, shooting the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a smooth run that requires no additional action other than to load the magazine and pull the trigger. The crisp trigger of the Glock 19 Gen 5 is the highlight for many. If you want to enjoy the best time out on the range, this pistol will give you that pleasure. And as for reliability, you can trust that the finely designed handgun will always respond swiftly to every move you make. Lest I forget, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is also budget friendly. Glock seems to have made a lot of hybrid pistols lately. Pistols that are produced with hybrid features tend to perform better than the original models. This is evident in the performance of the Glock 43X, which is basically a combination of features from the Glock 43 and Glock 48. The Glock 43X is the smallest among all Glock models. It's designed mainly for concealed carry, which is enhanced by its miniature structure. Despite the small size of the Glock 43X, it still manages to contain its recoil to a large degree, and control is made easy with its grip being fairly long enough to get a good hold of it. The Glock 48 is also a compact pistol with a slim profile for enhanced concealability. Both the Glock 43X and 48 feature a lightweight and 10-round magazine capacity. If you've got small hands and you're looking to start your shooting journey with a small rather than a hefty pistol, then one of the two pistols will be handy. The Glock 48's grip is almost full-size, so it might be a more appropriate option if you have larger hands. Whichever one you decide to carry, these pistols have been designed to give you accurate and reliable shots that'll enhance your confidence and self-defense. You can purchase both the Glock 43X and the Glock 48 at a price point below $500, although the G48 can cost up to $580. If you find our review simple and enjoyable enough, please encourage us by liking this video and commenting on any one of the pistols we've reviewed so far if you've tried them out. I promise to tell you something you didn't know about Glocks, so here it goes. Fun fact: Glocks are produced in 5 colors besides black. These include dark earth, olive drab, and battlefield green. Blue and red colored ones are also made, but they're mainly used on training pistols. Did you know that? Okay then, let's move on. A little bit on the higher side in terms of price, the Glock 45 MOS remains one of Glock's best MOS model pistols. The Glock 45 MOS marks a tremendous improvement upon the Glock 17 and Glock 19, as it's a hybrid of both pistols. Featuring Glock's marksman barrel for enhanced accuracy, this pistol serves as a reliable self-defense handgun. It's chambered in 9mm and is equipped with a 17-round magazine capacity with room for 1 extra round. The Glock 45 MOS is ideal for mounting reflex optics and accommodates a variety of sight options. For ease of use for both right-handed shooters and southpaws, the Glock 45 features ambidextrous controls. Also, it features front and rear serration and an accessory rail for mounting lights and other accessories. If you think the Glock 17 or 19 is too popular and you don't want to buy them, you could try out the Glock 45 MOS. When you try it out, you'll find it just as amazing as the other Glock models if you're familiar with Glocks already. With around $789 of cash or even less, you should be able to get yourself a nice looking power-packed Glock 45 MOS. Now, if you think what you want is a Glock model that offers more power than the traditional 9mm Glocks, you're in luck, because Glock made the Glock 20 Gen 4 for that particular purpose. More penetrating power, and that's why the model is chambered in the tremendously powered 10mm auto. This weapon is powerful enough to feast on predators, rendering them harmless by the time it's done. With a 15-round magazine capacity and a weight greater than any other pistol on this list, the Glock 20 Gen 4 is reliable under any climate and condition. For just $579, this monstrous Glock model features a polymer frame and tenor slide. Although the 10mm caliber was too powerful for even people in the military to handle because of the strong recoil it produces, nowadays it's become a popular round, and pistols made to chamber the 10mm caliber, like the Glock 20 Gen 5, are also designed to have reduced recoil. In this model's case, it features a dual coil spring that helps manage the gun's recoil. For ease of use, it comes with a modular backstrap and a well-textured grip for enhanced comfort, and it's optics ready. Bonus pistol. Before we conclude this review, one more Glock pistol you should own is the Glock 26 Gen 5. When durability is your utmost concern in subcompact pistols, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is your best bet for a long-lasting concealed carry gun. Designed to be corrosion resistant and highly concealable, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is one of the best subcompact pistols that doesn't sacrifice firepower or accuracy for a small size. So that the concealability of this model isn't jeopardized, Glock made it without a flared magazine well. One notable feature of this model is the replacement of the usual polygonal barrel with Glock's marksman barrel. The Glock 26 Gen 5 is extremely lightweight and comfortable to shoot. It's easy to operate and has a pretty straightforward design. It's equipped with a standard 10-round magazine, but up to 24 optional magazine capacities are available. Of course, that will temper the ability to conceal the gun. Going for $559, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is certainly one of those subcompact pistols you'd be glad you owned. Thanks for sticking with us through the end of our review. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. In the comments below, tell us what you generally think about Glock and its models. We have more exciting content lined up, so do well to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for all our videos so you never miss a beat. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video.